we'll come to you shortly, considering that you're talking about that particular thing. We still wouldn't talk much about the details, but you know, many would say that how can an actor, maybe like a superstar, can be so giving? What you do maybe in the climax, something that many of the superstars, like, I think they would never ever think of doing it. That you did that in Rang De Basanti in many ways as well. ये इतना बड़ा दिल आपका कहाँ से होता है? That how do you manage to just
actually मेरा दिल I feel मेरा दिल बड़ा है, लेकिन इन examples में it is not my बड़ा दिल which is making me do that.
Right.
It is not my generosity which is making me do that.
Right.
It is my love for the script and what is the requirement of the script which is making. मतलब मैं कोई sacrifice नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मेरे दिल पे मैं पत्थर रख के मैं ऐसे नहीं कर रहा हूँ. या मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि चलो मैं sacrifice करता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I love the scene the way it is. जिस तरह लिखा गया है वही मुझे पसंद है और वही होना चाहिए. और मुझे खुशी हो रही है वो करने में, और वो मुझे sacrifice नहीं लग रहा है, ना मुझे उसमें अपना बड़प्पन नजर आ रहा है.
In fact, I spoke to Rakesh Mehra a few days back, and he said a similar thing about Rang De Basanti that.
मतलब मुझे तो realize भी नहीं होता.
जी.
वो मुझे बाद में रंग दे के बाद actually लोग मुझे बोलने लगे, अरे climax तो आप पे ही नहीं है. मैं बोला है. मुझे realize ही नहीं हुआ था.
Right.
तो ऐसे नहीं है, मैं हूँ ना, मैं भी हूँ climax में. तो नहीं, माइक पे तो वो है. ऐसे ना, तो माइक पे क्या होता है? हम सब अपना अपना कर रहे हैं जो हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो इसमें भी मुझे realize नहीं होता कि मैं पता नहीं कुछ पीछे हूँ. I think that's a very important thing that I'm not there in the climax. I mean, I'm not in the middle of the action.
Okay, yeah. In fact, what Rakesh Mehra told me that I took a refurbished script to Amir, and which had far more meatier things for him. But he said that I want what you just narrated to me in the first instance itself. But just becoming a part of the whole is something that, you know, considering the industry that we are in, many a times there are lots of pressures. Maybe audience के pressures होते हैं, distributors ये चाहते हैं, and exhibitors ये चाहते हैं. There are a lot of things that happen actually, and somehow you just break those norms.
Myths. Yeah, because I don't feel that way. I feel you have to be honest with the story, the material, and that comes to me instinctively. It is not a second thought for me also. वो question भी मेरे मन में नहीं आता, सवाल भी नहीं होता.
जी, okay. Now, Zaira, you know, when we saw your performance. It doesn't seem from anywhere that it's like a child artist at all. Actually, I think he doesn't believe in award shows at all. But I think if when it comes to award shows, I think you deserve to be maybe nominated in Best Actress category, because what you've managed is fantastic, and the transformation I think is fantastic from what you were in the beginning and what you become. So where has all this? ये भी आपके inborn आपके अंदर ये सारा talent था कि कुछ नितेश जी ने और entire thing that you've got through?
You know, I still have not been able to figure out what it is. In fact, अभी तक I have not been able to sink in कि movie release हो गई. People have actually started to love my work.
Right.
I didn't like it. When I
ये सब लोगों का बीमारी है. सिर्फ मैं अकेला था जो सब लोगों को नहीं अच्छा.
Maybe I very see this is why. I mean, when I saw the film,
right.
I was not very satisfied. I didn't love my work. Then हाँ चलो ठीक है कर लिया, because people usually get carried away with the second half. When they step out of the theatre, they would definitely remember कि second half में हमने क्या देखा. Correct. So I never realized or never thought about it that people would actually remember me. And when the movie came out, people started to write me messages telling me that, and I realized that was the time people had started to single me out of all of us. And I guess that feeling itself is so overwhelming.
Right.
Coming back to your question of being a child actress, I think
it's how it's categorized mostly.
Yeah,
right.
It is difficult because once you're a child actress, you have this tag of a child actress,
right.
So you have to be a child. I am a child, I know that, and I have to maintain that innocence. One place I go wrong and everything would be just, it'll collapse. So I have to be very careful with what I do.
No, absolutely. That chori samajh ke mat. I think that has that entire gravitas to it.